Hey, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be multiplying a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Before we get started, see that link up above? That's a link to my new channel called Dino Math. That's everything on that channel is related to dinosaurs. I have dinosaur books, toys, and even a new show called Dino Math, where we take dinosaurs and mathematics and put them together to have some really cool dinosaur adventures. So I'd really appreciate it if you go over there, hit that subscribe button, take a look at some of the videos, and let me know what you think. All right, let's go ahead and begin there. When we multiply a big number like this, we start over on this side, almost like addition and subtraction, all right? So I take, and make sure you know your multiplication. Take time to memorize your facts. It's going to come in handy as you get older and go through school and life. 3 times 3, what is it? 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So I put the 9 right over here, right below that 3. And now I'm going to be multiplying 3 times 6. 3 times 6, 18. Really good. You guys are awesome today. So I put the 8 right there, and I carry the 1 up here. Remember, that was 18, so I put the 1 up there, and I'm going to add that 1 on my next step of what I'm in the process of what I'm doing. So I'll show you here. 3 times 7 equals 21 plus the 1. You see how I did that now? 3 times 7 is 21, 22. So I put a 2 here and another 2 here. 2. And now I multiply 3 times 8 equals 24. And so that would be 26. How cool is that? Hey, if you got a minute, I wanted to share something with you. Sometimes I like to try to share things at the end of the video. And I was at a parade and I saw these guys, they were in these like little cars and they were just zooming around. It would be so cool and so fun to ride in those cars. Look at how they're just, see how they're going down the street really fast and they're turning. It was really neat to see. And I bet you've seen some pretty cool things if you've ever been to a parade. So I just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was kind of special. Hey, I hope you're having a great day out there. If you get a chance, go over to my Dino Math channel, check out some of those videos, hit that subscribe button over there and to this channel. It would sure mean a lot to me. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.